It's the debut game of Titan Ultra sa PBA. And syempre, sa una pa lang, dapat ibigay natin yung benefit of the doubt. Struggle talaga sa umpisa eh. Halos puro one-on-one play, wala masyadong ball movement, and halata yung adjustments. Samantalang yung Meralco Bolts, they were easily finding ways to score. Imagine, 5 minutes pa bago makakuha ng puntos yung Titan Ultra galing sa free throw ni Joshua Munzon. Pero nung pumasok si Ato Ular, biglang nagbago yung energy ng team. Siya yung nagbigay ng energy points, tapos pumasok pa yung outside shot ni Calvin Abueva na, by the way, preview pa lang yon sa gagawin niya buong game. Sila ni Ato Ular yung nagbigay talaga ng spark, proving na Titan Ultra can compete against a champion team like Meralco. It was a close ball game kasi hindi naman gumagawa ng something fancy yung Bolts. They were just playing simple basketball, pero yung Titan Ultra, iba eh, gutom, grabe yung defense nila, kaya nga mas malaki yung points of turnovers nila kasi after a good stop, rat-rat agad sa kabilang banda. Pagdating sa second quarter, battle of strengths na. Meralco focus on inside points gamit yung advantage nila sa ilalim, habang yung Titan Ultra naman played their running game. So yung resulta, tabla, 45 all pagkatapos ng first half. Pero sa third quarter, dito na lumabas yung vintage beast mode ni Calvin Abueva. He was attacking like an old Abueva. Binibigyan siya ng bola, hinahayaan mag-operate, at nagbubunga naman. Sunod-sunod na attacks, tapos nung nagsasag na sa kanya yung defense, binayaran niya sa labas. Back-to-back 3-point shot. Every time na mapupunta sa kanya yung bola, good things happen. Parang Alaska Abueva lang eh, no? Puro good touch yung kanyang floater game. So, halos walang mga pilit na tira naman. Pagdating ng fourth quarter, balik si Calvin Abueva. Unang possession pa lang, easy basket for the Beast. Sunod, and one play. Tapos bumalik yung mainit na kamay niya sa labas. Parang nag-Gary David moment pa nga siya, yung nagliliyab yung kanyang kamay, hindi rin siya makapaniwala eh. So at one point, Titan Ultra led by 19 points, pero nakakahabol lang talaga yung Meralco Bolts. Meralco leaned on CJ Cancino's strong game and their inside scoring para mapadikit yung laban, leading to a clutch ending. Pero para sa Titan Ultra, Jeyo Ambohot came up huge sa ending. Big basket inside, proving na worth it yung pagkuha sa kanya. Final score 100-96 for Titan Ultra. 41 points for Calvin Abueva, vintage performance talaga. 14 points for Joshua Munzon, 2 out of 14 from the field. At syempre Cade Flores, tahimik, grabe yung impact. Alam niya yung trabaho niya and he did it perfectly. For Meralco, CJ Cancino had 22 points, pero weird talaga na off the bench si Chris Newsome with only 9 points. Kung superstar ka, tapos off the bench ka, mahirap makahanap ng rhythm unless ganun talaga yung role mo. Pero Chris Newsome ka eh. Pero kung yun yung game plan ng Meralco, then they'll have to live with that. In the end, Titan Ultra showed heart, hustle, and hunger. And for their first ever PBA game, they made sure na mararamdaman agad ng liga na andito sila.